everyone, it's Olivia, and today I have something really important to share with you. If you feel like you've been learning English for a long time but still struggle to improve, don't worry, you're not alone. So many people spend years studying English but never feel truly confident when speaking or listening. Maybe you hesitate when trying to form sentences, or you understand words but struggle to respond quickly. If this sounds familiar, don't get discouraged. The good news is that there's a reason why this happens, and even better, there's a way to fix it. Today, I'm going to tell you the secret to learning English faster. And no, it's not about spending more hours studying complicated grammar rules. It's not about memorizing endless vocabulary lists. It's about studying smarter, not harder. There's a simple change you can make that will completely transform the way you learn. So, listen carefully. Repeat after me when I ask you to, and let's start making real progress. Together. The biggest mistake most English learners make is only focusing on words and grammar. Yes, vocabulary and grammar are important, but they are not enough if you want to speak fluently and confidently. Think about it. Have you ever studied a long list of words only to forget them later? Or spent hours learning grammar rules but still struggled to form sentences naturally? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Now let's think about how babies learn a language. Do they start by memorizing grammar rules and writing down vocabulary lists? No. They listen. They repeat. They connect words with real-life situations. They don't overthink or translate everything in their heads. They just absorb the language naturally. And that's exactly what you need to do too. So, here's the secret to learning English faster. You must train your brain to think in English. Stop translating everything into your native language. Stop hesitating before you speak. Instead, start surrounding yourself with English, listening as much as possible, and practicing every day. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the faster you'll improve. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. But how do you do that? How do you train your brain to think in English? The answer is simple. Immerse yourself in English every single day. Even if you only have a few minutes, make sure you surround yourself with the language. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country to do this. You can create your own English environment wherever you are. One of the best ways to do this is by listening to real English conversations as much as possible. It could be a podcast, a YouTube video, a TV show, or even this lesson. The more your brain gets used to hearing English, the more natural it will feel. Think about it. If you hear English every day, your brain will start recognizing patterns, understanding pronunciation, and forming sentences faster. You'll stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. Now let's make this a habit. Listen and repeat after me. I will listen to English every day. I will make English a part of my daily life. Say these sentences out loud. Make a commitment to yourself. Even 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. The key is consistency. The more you hear and practice English, the more confident and fluent you'll become. And now, let's talk about the next step. Next, stop translating everything in your head. This is one of the biggest reasons why many English learners struggle to speak fluently. If you always think in your native language first and then try to translate into English, it slows you down and makes sentences feel unnatural. That's why you might hesitate before speaking, or feel like you can't find the right words fast enough. Instead, train your brain to connect English words directly to their meanings, without translating. Think about how native speakers learn their language. When they see a chair, they don't think of a word in another language first. They just know it's a chair. When they see the sun, they don't go through a mental dictionary. They just think sun. You can do this too. Start with simple things around you. Look at a book and say book. See a tree and say tree. When you hear a word in English, try to visualize the object instead of translating it in your mind. The more you do this, the faster English will become natural for you. Now, let's make this a habit. Repeat after me. I will stop translating in my head. I will think in English. Say these sentences out loud and truly believe them. The sooner you stop translating and start thinking in English, the faster you will improve. Now, let's move on to the next step. Now, let's talk about speaking. A lot of English learners say, "I understand English, but I can't speak." Does this sound like you? If yes, don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners feel this way because they don't practice speaking enough. They focus on listening, reading, and writing, but when it comes to actually speaking, they hesitate or feel nervous. Here's the truth. The only way to get better at speaking is to speak. You don't need a conversation partner, and you don't need to be in an English-speaking country. You can start practicing right now, on your own. Here's a simple but powerful exercise. Speak out loud every morning. Describe what you're doing in English. For example, I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. By saying these simple sentences every day, you are training your brain to form sentences faster. The more you do this, the easier it will be to speak naturally. You don't need to be perfect. Just start. Now, let's make a commitment. Repeat after me. I will practice speaking every day. Speaking English is easy when I practice. Say these sentences out loud with confidence. Speaking is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. So, start today, speak as much as you can, and soon, speaking English will feel completely natural. Let's keep going. Another important trick is shadowing. Shadowing is one of the most effective techniques for improving your speaking, pronunciation, and listening skills all at the same time. But what exactly is shadowing? It means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say, immediately and without pausing. The key is not just to listen, but to copy their pronunciation, their rhythm, and their tone. Imagine you are an actor practicing lines for a role. You want to sound as natural as possible. By repeating words exactly as you hear them, your mouth, tongue, and brain get used to producing natural-sounding English. Over time, this will help you speak more fluently and confidently. Here's how you can practice shadowing. Pick a short clip from a podcast, YouTube video, or even this lesson. Listen to a sentence, then repeat it immediately, copying the exact way it was said. Focus on intonation, pronunciation, and rhythm. Try to sound just like the speaker. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day, and you will see huge improvements. Now let's make this a habit. Listen and repeat after me. I will practice shadowing every day. My English will improve when I listen and repeat. Say these sentences with confidence. Shadowing is a powerful technique, and if you do it regularly, you will notice that your speaking speed, pronunciation, and fluency improve faster than ever. So, start shadowing today, and let's keep moving forward. And finally, stay consistent. Learning English is not something you do once a week and expect to improve overnight. Think of it like exercising. If you don't train regularly, you won't see results. But if you practice a little bit every day, you'll build stronger skills over time, just like strengthening your muscles. The good news is you don't need to study for hours to make progress. Even 10 minutes a day is better than nothing. The key is to make English a part of your daily routine. Listen to an English podcast while having breakfast. Practice shadowing for a few minutes. Describe your day out loud, or watch a short English video before bed. These small habits will add up and help you improve faster than you think. Now, let's make a commitment. Repeat after me. I will practice English every day. I am improving my English step by step. Say these sentences out loud and believe in them. Consistency is the secret to fluency. If you stay committed and practice a little bit every day, soon you'll feel more confident, more fluent, and more natural in English. Keep going, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next lesson. So, my dear students, now you know the secret to learning English faster. It's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. Listen more, speak more, stop translating, practice shadowing, and most importantly, stay consistent. If you follow these steps every day, you will see real progress faster than you think. Now, I have a question for you. What is the biggest challenge for you when learning English? Is it speaking, listening, grammar, or something else? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear your answers. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our playlists for more English practice. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep going, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.